Sorry, I had to set my phone down on a stand. But basically, I got 2 new plates. I know I don't need them, but this is where the auxiliary drives were. So basically, your hydraulic pump was on this side, and your air compressor's on this side. I sealed these up when we pulled the engine out. Of course, we know that's not going to be good enough for sandblast, so figured it was worth it to go ahead and just buy the plates temporarily. So I'll be able to seal these up good enough and I don't have to worry about getting sand in here. And then my game plan is to get this painted. Okay, sorry about that, got a phone call. So anyway, just trying to cover these up. This will allow me to run the engine without having to run the coolant water to the pump and having to run hydraulic fluid to the hydraulic pump. So basically now when I'm ready to put those systems in service, after I get the engine in and get everything else up and running, I can run my air lines and start hooking this stuff up afterwards, after I run the engine and test everything. Like I said, just try to get everything sealed up the best we can. And move on to the next part. As you can see, I pulled all the fuel lines, pulled the fuel system off, like the heads. I'll put the old fuel pump back in there just for the sandblasting paint.